you're driving home, but suddenly a huge tornado blocks your way. Don't try to overtake it to run away. The best solution is to turn around and go the other way. But sometimes it's impossible to do so. Welcome to the virtual survival course. Oh no! You should leave the car running so the airbags still work. And keep your seatbelt on. Don't forget to close all the windows. We don't want the wind to get in. Great! Now get down below the windows and cover your head with your hands, blanket, coat, or pillow if available. The chances of surviving inside the car are low, but you don't have a better choice. It's too late and nowhere to run, so get ready. Use your feet and muscles to fix your body in one position inside the car. That awkward moment when you can't get away with crashing a police car. Extra protection, just in time. The weather is getting better. It might seem tempting to seek shelter under an overpass or a bridge, but it's even more dangerous. Tornado winds pick up under these structures, so you would face more debris. Also, you could be blown out and carried by the winds. Surviving that kind of adventure is great luck, so avoid repeating this in real life.
Attention! A tornado can emerge even when there's no storm or rain. Most of the time they appear in summer when the ground is heated, but there are many exceptions. Tornado formation is sudden and quick. It might take only a few minutes before it starts to wreak chaos upon everything in its path. Welcome to the virtual reality class for extreme survival. If a tornado found you at home and you have no time to escape, make sure to lock all windows, doors, and attic spaces. Stick tape crosswise over each window glass to prevent the debris from scattering. Make sure to turn off the gas and electricity and put out the fire in your stove. Prepare flashlights and candles, as well as water and food supplies for at least 3 days. Don't forget to take a working radio. Also, make sure to grab the first aid kit. If you live in a tornado-prone area, it's better to keep a strategic supply of those items in your shelter at all times. The region inside of a tornado is characterized by low temperatures and oxygen levels, making it difficult to breathe. There aren't any detailed visual observations of this inner region because these storms are too intense to shoot inside. Tornado formation is quite simple. Hot air streams from the ground collide with a descending stream of cold air brought by thunderclouds. Warm air can't go higher up, and cold air can't flow down. The force of their collision gradually produces a vertical column of spinning air that starts to suck debris from the ground like a giant drain. A tornado can be up to 2 miles in diameter, and the speed of the funnel itself is somewhere between 25 to 40 miles per hour. A tornado can last from a few minutes to an hour or more, but usually they exist for up to 10 minutes and then dissipate. Don't leave your shelter right after the wind weakens. The twister may reappear in a few minutes. Phew, the tornado is gone now. You can leave the shelter. And the lesson is over. Hey, congratulations!
This is boring. We've watched this already. Virtual training simulation is activated. Did you hear that? You need to see this. We need to get out of here. Now! Have you ever seen anything like this? The smoke is too thick. We need to cover our mouths. Take this and tie it around your mouth. This will help protect our airways. Follow me and stay low. We need to get to a safe space, somewhere that won't burn down. The old school, come on. Get down. We can't stay out here any longer. Look out! need to hurry. Let's get inside. We made it. We made it.
At least we're safe here. No, we're trapped! Run! Stay low. Try not to breathe in the smoke. This might have been a mistake. Over here! Grab those fire extinguishers. Aim at the bottom of the flames. Seriously? Look for another way out. Look, the vent. That's our way out. Don't stop moving and don't look back. I think we're the last ones to get out. We need to leave this town, and quickly. Get in that car. Well, that's lucky. Look out! The fire tornado! It's lifting us up! Cover your head with your jacket and brace yourself! Hold on tight! Wait! It's throwing us out! Get out of the car! You still got that extinguisher, right? That was intense. You know, I could really eat some toasted marshmallows right now.
Hello, hello! Do you like to explore tornadoes? Welcome to our virtual simulation. Today, we'll show you the difference between just a big tornado and an epic tornado. Let's begin with EF0. This is what the weakest tornado looks like. The speed of its wind can be between 65 and 86 miles per hour. Usually, this gust leaves damaged roofs and messes after its visit. It can also break weak trees. And here's our next tornado, EF1. Its diameter can reach up to 112 feet, and the speed is estimated between 86 and 110 miles per hour. EF1 can cause moderate damage, such as tearing out doors and windows, stripping roofs, moving cars, and overturning mobile homes or greenhouses. EF2. This tornado type can cause significant damage. It's up to 394 feet in diameter. The wind speed is between 111 and 135 miles per hour. Such a powerful tornado can destroy low-rise buildings, as well as tear down a roof and damage the walls of a building. Whoa! Trailers and mobile homes have no chance. Tornado EF3. Its speed varies from 136 to 165 miles per hour. The diameter is up to 787 feet. It can overturn a whole train, destroy large houses, and even high-rise buildings. By the way, don't worry about this farm. There's nobody here. It's just a simulation, remember? EF3 can uproot trees or leave them standing with no branches. The wind easily blows away lighter buildings and cars and brings them to significant distances. And now, say hello to EF4. Its diameter can reach up to 1,969 feet. And the speed of the wind is about 166 to 200 miles per hour.
Hey Eva, get into the car!
Whoa! Here we go!
EF4 can destroy and blow away a small town. Cars, kiosks, and towers that get in their way have no chance of being repaired.
Ah!
Whoa! Was that a cow?
Yeah, poor thing.
Hold on!
And last but not least, EF5. It can reach 3,281 feet in diameter. The speed can grow over 200 miles per hour. EF5 brings enormous damage. Usually, there's nothing to see in the impact area because nothing is there. The wind can lift houses off foundations and carry them over considerable distances. Cars and trucks are crushed and carried several miles away from the parking lot. So it's better not to joke around tornadoes. Now you know why.
Did you see that? That was so epic!
Are we there yet? I'm starving.
Yep, almost there.
What's going on? Looks like an apocalypse.
Don't worry, it's just a traffic jam.
Are you sure?
No! Tornado!
What? Let's get out of here!
No, we must stay in the car.
Is it safe?
No, but it's even more dangerous outside. Let's leave the car running to make sure the airbag would work properly. You need to cover your head. Here, take the blanket.
Thanks, but what about you?
I'll use my coat. Lean against the walls and freeze.
Whoa, here we go.
I've never been inside a tornado before. Have you?
Ah!
Whoa! Was that a cow?
Yeah, poor thing.
Are you okay?
I guess so.
We're so lucky! Surviving this kind of adventure is like winning a lottery.
Yeah. But I'm still hungry.
Well, well. What a wonderful day.
Have you ever seen anything like this? Look out! Ah! We need to get out of here. Now!
I'm doing my best.
The soul is neither born, nor does it ever die, nor having once existed, does it ever cease to be. The soul is without birth, eternal, immortal.
You okay? I didn't break a single bone. Let's try to survive. Oh no, not ready to give up yet.
We need to get to a safe space.
Hold on, I have a plan B. Oh no, plan B is canceled. This is it.
Look out! Ah! We need to get out of here.
Don't worry. Let's just find something to break the glass. All right, let's give it a try. Take a deep breath. Open the door and swim up.
Whoa! Here we go!
Breathe deeper. It's all over. Oh, we're so lucky.
We made it.
Wow! Did you see that? Oh no, tsunami! Let's just try to run away from the waves. Whoa! Oh no. Oh no, no. Here we go! Okay, hold on tight. Take a deep breath and don't look down. The water is very close. Oh no. Whoa! Oh, watch out! Not ready to give up yet. The water is coming. Oh, thank goodness. Here we go. Whew. Hope this way works. Wow, the entire island is sinking. No, the wave is already here. Whew. That was close, huh? Whoa! Surviving this kind of adventure is like winning a lottery.